In this video, I'll show you how to change Gmail password quickly and easily on your computer and phone. A strong, unique password is your first line of defense online if you're worried your Gmail password might be compromised. I watched a few videos on this, including those by Dotto Tech, Top Tip Tech, and Rare Eye Tech, and while I liked their efforts, some missed crucial security tips. So, I've created this video to give you both a complete and easy-to-follow guide. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. Before we jump in, if this video helps you out and you'd like to support what we do, check the pinned comment below. I've added a useful resource there for you too. Now let's get started. First, let's look at how to change Gmail passwords on a laptop. To start, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Sign into your Gmail account if you haven't already. Click on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner, then click on Manage your Google account. On the left-hand menu, click on Security. Scroll down to the Signing into Google section and click on Password. You'll likely need to enter your current password to continue. On the next screen, enter your new password. Google recommends using at least 8 characters and avoiding personal information or passwords from other sites. Confirm your new password. Then click on Change Password. You'll see a confirmation message that your password has been changed. Now let's see how to change Gmail password on the Android app. Open the Gmail app on your Android phone. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Manage your Google account. Swipe across the top tabs and tap on Security. Under Signing into Google, tap on Password. Enter your new password. Confirm your new password in the Confirm New Password field. Then tap Change Password, and that's it. Next, let's explore how to change Gmail password on iPhone and other iOS devices. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Manage your Google account. Swipe across the top tabs and tap on Security. Under Signing into Google, tap on Password. Enter your new password and aim for a strong, unique combination. Confirm your new password in the Confirm New Password field. Tap Change Password, and you're done. After successfully changing your password, it's a good practice to ensure you log out of other devices. Take a moment to check the list by going to Security, then click your devices and log out or remove unrecognized devices or those you don't use regularly. To change your Gmail password on a mobile device if you've forgotten it, you'll need to initiate a password reset through Google's recovery process. This typically involves using a recovery email address or phone number that was linked to your account. To change your Gmail password without a phone number, you can use the Try Another Way option during account recovery. This will allow you to verify your identity using other available methods, such as security questions, recovery email addresses, or recent login activity. Avoid using personal information like your name or birthday, and never reuse passwords from other websites. To explore more Gmail video tutorials, click this card. If this video helped and you'd like to support what we do, feel free to buy me a coffee, links in the pinned comment. Check the description below for more helpful tutorials, and if you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.